Coohom Villa Design is the home design software for construction and remodeling professions. Easily draft house plan proposals in a matter of minutes and sell more using stunning 3D rendering. How does it actually work? First, create your building plan, drawing smoothly and intuitively. Then add the roof, making all roof types easily. Decorate the interior and exterior, and customize the wall and floor coverings to give the house its personal atmosphere. A couple of clicks is all it takes to generate your photorealistic 3D rendering. Coohom Villa Design is the solution that enables you to take on more house projects more quickly and with a better conversion rate. You increase your sales, optimize the way you work, and improve your brand images. Selling a construction or remodeling project has never been so easy. Try it now.